Thinking about moving to Lenexa, Kansas? Well, what if I told you there's a neighborhood with stunning homes, beautiful streets, and top-rated schools all tucked away in one of the most desirable areas in town? Well, welcome to the Timbers at Clear Creek. In this video, I'm going to give you an exclusive tour of the community, showing you 3 beautiful homes and breaking down everything you need to know, from amenities to schools to parks and even the hidden gems only locals know about. You want to definitely stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just find your dream home right here. So let's get started, and we're going to get after it right now. If this is your first time on our channel and you want to know everything there is about living in the Kansas City area and the surrounding suburbs like Lenexa, Kansas, then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market here in Lenexa, Kansas. Hello, my name is Jimmy Zell. My wife Nikki and I are realtors with the Living in Kansas City team, and we get phone calls, text messages, and emails every day from people just like you and you and you. And so whether you're moving in 7 days or 7 months, feel free to reach out to us, as all of our contact information is in that description box below. We'd be happy to help you make a smooth move into a new home here in Lenexa, Kansas, or any of the surrounding suburbs around the Kansas City metro. So I want to welcome you all right here to Timbers at Clear Creek. And this is an absolutely gorgeous subdivision, beautiful homes. It's one of the most sought after neighborhoods. And so if you're looking for stunning homes and top tier amenities and a true sense of community, you're definitely in the right place. Now, this subdivision began back in 2017 and has quickly become a top choice for home buyers in the Kansas City metro area. We're currently in the final phase of development here, which means this is your last chance to secure a home in this incredible neighborhood. And so homes in the Timbers at Clear Creek typically sell between $600,000 and $900,000, with an average sales price around $750,000. These homes are all built by some of the most reputable builders in the entire area, including like Scott Homes, Poly Homes, Classic Homes, Kalen Homes, Gabriel Homes. They all offer a variety of different floor plans, such as ranches, reverse 1.5 stories, 2 stories, lots of high-end finishes. And so living in this community also means that you'll enjoy some fantastic amenities. You know, the HOA dues are $575 per year. That includes access to the community pool, trash and recycling services, as well as, you know, the walking trails, the green spaces that are taken care of. It actually connects you to all the parks around here as well. So you've got a great clubhouse that you can gather. And so this neighborhood is also part of the very highly rated DeSoto the DeSoto School District. And so you'll love the schools in here as well. So this is truly a dream location for anyone looking to move to Lenexa. So enough talk, we're gonna go into this first one. Let's talk about it. I wanna show you, like I said today, 3 different homes. We'll take you through those, and let's go and get started. Okay, we are at our first stop here in the Timbers at Clear Creek, and you guys are gonna love this tour today. So we're in Lenexa, Kansas, and we're gonna do 3 homes today, 2 models. We'll take you on the first 2 will be 2 models, and then we'll take you to a finished one as well. And so this one here comes in at $645,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's by Scott Homes, and it's their Marie floor plan. You'll love it. Big island in this one. Total square foot on this one is 2148. It's a ranch style. And so it puts it at about $300 per square foot, which is about normal for your new construction around here. But I want to show you can see brand new home. We'll take you on the inside of it as well. Give you a nice shot video of that. And you can see here, it's the neighborhood. So this is their, like I said, this is their final phase. And you can see some homes. So we'll take you around the neighborhood tour after we finish these 2 here. But so anyways, we'll take you on the inside of this one and show you that. But before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about the schools here. This is actually USD 232. It's the Shawnee Mission schools and DeSoto schools. And so this one actually is the DeSoto schools. And so USD and Lenexa actually has 2 different schools. You've got USD, the Shawnee Mission schools, as well as DeSoto. So this one actually has Mize Elementary in it, Mill Creek, and DeSoto. And so what ends up happening is the USD 232 school district actually is A-rated. It's actually the number 2 best school district in Kansas. So it's very, very highly rated, just under 7,500 students. And then the student to teacher ratio is about 15 to 1. And so like Mize Elementary, the elementary school that everyone here in this subdivision goes to is about 14-1. Mill Creek, the middle school, is about 15-1. And the Soto is 15-1. So a very interesting fact for all of you. My oldest daughter went to Mill Creek for a while, and then her husband went to DeSoto, and our kids actually went to Mill Valley over there in Shawnee. And so awesome school district. If you're raising a family, you can tell, especially in this neighborhood, there's lots of kids and lots of families here. One of the things too, for anybody that's moving across the city or across the country, definitely make sure that you grab our relocation guide. You'll see that in the description box. It's a great way to really see what else is around the Kansas City market for you, to give you an idea of what's going on in Kansas City. You can get that right there in that description box. So anyways, this is our first one. Let's hop in the car and we'll head over to our second one. Okay, we're going to walk right over here to our next one, this model home. This is the second one I want you to see today. So this is actually comes in at $649,000. So this whole, all the new builds here are running right around the 650 range, up to about 700, 725. And so this one here, this one's the Victoria model by Scott Homes. Comes in at 2717 total square feet. You can see it's 1.5 stories here. You'll love the great room and the big master as well. And this one, total on this one, 2,717 square feet. So 1.5 stories. And the good thing about this one too is that you're actually looking at about $239 per square foot on this one. So a beautiful home. A couple things about this area. We showed you some of the neighborhood earlier, right? On this one as well, we'll do the same thing. You can see it's actually the next door neighbor, right? Of the one that we just did. But a couple things about Lenexa for all of you is that ThinkKC.com actually ranks it as one of the top 100 suburbs in the U.S. And a lot of it is because there's just so much growth happening. We've got the Lenexa City Center. You'll see on our channel, go on our channel, you'll find out some other videos that we have on Lenexa, like the pros and cons, a full map tour, other neighborhoods. You can learn a lot about Lenexa just from our videos. So go find that on our channel. You'll see that. And then, not too far from here, you've got Black Hoof Park, also Shawnee Mission Park right down the, on actually what they call 83rd Street. They'll take you right down there. And then, so just a lot of stuff happening besides the neighborhood here. You've got some trails, of course, and in this subdivision, but just a beautiful area, a lot of growth, great time to be in Lenexa because there's growth happening. You'll see us do more tours of neighborhoods in Lenexa as it continues to grow. And so if you Also, if you find this video helpful, if you know anybody that's living in or would like to, move into the suburbs here in Johnson County, Lenexa, Shawnee, we've got videos on Shawnee, we've got videos on Overland Park, Leawood, all the Olathe, any of those suburbs. If you're interested in those, let us know and share this video with others as well, especially if you're looking in this subdivision, and we'd love to help them out. And so anyways, enjoy the inside of this, and now we'll head over to our final home. Okay, we are at our final stop here at Timbers at Clear Creek, and you're gonna love this home. This is actually one of those smart homes. So many things inside of this one. Can't wait to show you guys on the inside. But before we go in there, let me just tell you a little bit about it. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. This one is actually by Scott Homes as well, and Next Gen Remodeling. 3,310 total square feet, and so you got a reverse 1.5 story. So that puts it at about $219 per square feet. That's an absolutely gorgeous home. Let me show you some of the neighborhood here where this one's at. So you can see this side of the Timbers is actually beautiful homes. I mean, at this price point, 700, like I said, to 800,000. Beautiful homes here. And so I'll real quickly, if you live in Lenexa, Kansas, if you already live in this community, let us know what you love about Lenexa. Share it with some other people. That way, people that are moving here, relocating here, that way they can hear from you as well. We'd love to hear from other people. Drop those in the comments as well. So beautiful home. We'll take you on the inside. But before we do that, let me give you a couple things so you know a little bit about Lenexa. Medium home value is right at $490,500, and so it's been on a big increase, 9.6% increase since last year. Home appreciation still continues to go up. Average is about 3.3% since last year. And one thing too is you'll find out the 5-year appreciation has been astronomical, like 105% increase. So 105.73%, as a matter of fact. And then also it just continues to increase, the 5-year appreciation. But the median household income in Lenexa is $102,344. So, you can educated, really good workforce here, and pretty high incomes as well. Now, Lenexa's unemployment rate is 2.8%, which is below the national average. Once again, lots of people working here. There's about 58,500 people that live here. And, in Lenexa, there's like over 100 parks. And so we'll talk a little bit about those in the neighborhoods in some of the other video here as we go. Very low crime rate. So Lenexa is just a great city. And so as we kind of wrap up this tour, don't forget we have other videos on Lenexa, but if you have any questions, definitely reach out to us. Love to chat with you about it. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or just schedule that one-on-one Zoom. And then definitely share this video with other people so they can see how these beautiful neighborhoods in Lenexa, the growth out here, just really good school district, lots of fun stuff to do in Lenexa. And then of course you've got Shawnee that borders to it, to Soto, and then Olathe as well. It's just a lot to do here on this side of the town. So anyways, what we'll do is give you guys a sneak peek on the inside, do a little tour, also take you to the amenity center, which it's closed right now in this season, but we'll at least give you guys a little tour of that as well. And hope you enjoy this tour, and then we'll head back to the office and wrap it all up. All right, so what do you think? Can you see yourself living here in the timbers of Clear Creek? I mean, we've explored a beautiful new construction community in Lenexa, Kansas, toured 3 stunning homes, and talked about all of the amazing amenities that make this neighborhood truly special. So let's do a quick recap. Homes in the timbers at Clear Creek range from $600,000 to $900,000 with an average price around $750,000. Built by some of the top builders in the Kansas City metro, including Scott Homes, Poly Homes, Classic Homes, Kalen Homes, and even Gabriel Homes. HOA dues are $575 a year. That includes access to the community, clubhouse, the pool, the walking trails, trash and recycling services. Also located in the highly rated DeSoto School District, serving Mize Elementary, Mill Creek Middle School, and DeSoto High School, some of the top ranked schools in the state. Now, Lenexa itself is a thriving city, ranked among the top 100 best suburbs near a large city, with award-winning community planning and outstanding amenities. This is truly an incredible neighborhood, but homes in the final phase are selling fast. So if you're thinking about moving to Lenexa, now is the time to make your move. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer new construction or move-in ready home? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And if you're ready to take the next step, whether you're moving in 7 days or 7 months, we'd love to help you. Give us a call, send us a text, or shoot us that email, or schedule that one-on-one Zoom. All of our contact information is in the description box below. Our goal is to make your home buying process seamless so that you can focus on creating those memories in your home and in this community that you will love. So thanks for watching, and as always, we hope to see you around town.